All right, I'm here in Houston, Texas, here at my food truck. It's J. Harvey's Grill. And if you want to contact us for any catering or any events, just dial this number here, 832-773-3956. But I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I use a lot here on my food truck. And what I do, I get about 4 cases of water and I put it in my freezer. And this cheap water here, you can get them $3-4 a case at HEB or Sam's. But what I do, I take it and put it in my freezer and I freeze them. And the reason I do that, it helps the freezer and refrigerator, in case, you lose any power for a few minutes or something, it'll keep the refrigerator cool. And it also cut down on the compressor from kicking on and off all the time. So it's just like having ice in your refrigerator and freezer. So I take a case and put it in my freezer, and I put a case also in my salad bar. And then when it thawed, you can sell the water. So that's just a little neat ideal I learned, So I'm just cycling the water through, and I'm doing some cleaning here on my truck. I got somebody that's going to come in and do detail cleaning. All right, thank you and have a great day.